could a Malaysian airliner disappear without a trace?
This aircraft has now become invisible.
What new technologies could prevent another disaster?
Surveillance is the next evolution of flight operations.
Nova investigates why planes vanish.
Join us Sunday afternoon at 5.
Business tycoon Rupert Murdoch's 21st Century Fox offered Time Warner Cable $80 billion to buy the country's second largest cable company. Wow, $80 billion.
For a pledge of $60, $120, or $240, you can become a care holder of Western Reserve PBS. Call 1-800-672-4549 and make a pledge of support to Ohio's largest PBS station. You can make television a more meaningful experience.
I grew up in a small American farming town. Didn't have a lot. I lived with 7 siblings in a single wide trailer. I just felt like, why couldn't life be better for me? I remember to this day, I turned on the TV and saw Les Mis on great performances. The music was so powerful. I believed that I can do that. It truly inspired me. Today I have a full-time career, but I also have a dream, to sing in a prestigious opera company. It takes work, time, dedication. Sharing my love for music with people gives me joy. PBS helped me think anything's possible. Now I really know what I want in life, and that's singing. PBS gave me the confidence to take a chance in myself.
Next time on Finding Your Roots, storytellers Ken Burns, Anna DeVere Smith, and Anderson Cooper.
Holy crap.
Oh no, a Tory! Amazing.
Finding Your Roots.
Be sure to tune in tomorrow evening at 6.
Western Reserve PBS is a 501c3 corporation, a non-profit charity, and although we don't feed the hungry, clothe the poor, or house the indigent like other charities, we do feed the brain, clothe the character, and house the spirit of the individual. And how do we do that? Through quality television programs that inform, educate, and enlighten. We depend on donations from viewers like you. Please call 1-800-672-4549. Thank you.
Next time on P.O.V. Meet Anwar, grandfather, national hero, and executioner. Take a dreamlike and terrifying journey into the heart of darkness, the act of killing.
Tune in tomorrow night at 11.
Welcome to the program. We begin this evening with Ian Bremmer.
The single thing that it has the greatest impact on in the near term is it makes the Iran nuclear deal much less likely to happen, because we have realigned ourselves with the Saudis and we're fighting together with the Sunni Arab monarchies. It is our top priority right now is ISIS. It's not getting an Iran deal. Iran's top priority is ISIS. It's not getting a nuclear deal with the U.S. We only have 6 weeks left to get that deal done. Everything I've seen on the ground in Iran is that Rouhani is now seen as a one-term president. He's lost a key cabinet member because the conservatives in parliament voted him out. I don't think they've got the ability to get this over the goal line.
And we conclude with Walter Isaacson. His new book is called The Innovators, How a Group of Hackers, Geniuses, and Geeks Created the Digital Revolution.
Let's not talk about innovation in the abstract. Let me show you exactly what Bill Gates did, what Steve Jobs did, what the people who invented the transistor at Bell Labs did, and how that Bell Labs system led to something. So I wanted to look in a storytelling way. This is a book, a narrative book. It's storytelling. It's not, 12 easy lessons of innovation, because I wanted to do some real reporting and say, how did they make that creative leap, and how did they do it?
Is waiting now imminently to be sentenced. As soon as we hear anything, we will let y'all know, because we know a lot of people want to know how this is going to roll out. But until then, what did y'all do over the weekend? Everybody looks very healthy and brisk and cute and